Alright, last one from Auntie Megan.
Doing good, bud. You're doing good staying here.
Yeah.
What's in here? Oh, no, close it. Open it up. What's in here? We got these poppies, remember?
Oh, Dad, no. Oh.
Oh. Oh.
What's in the present?
Sorry.
Dad's getting distracted. Oh, little leapfrog learning.
Look at that.
We'll have to put batteries in that one, bud.
Oh.
Can you move the box?
I think that's
Oh, you just turn the on button.
Oh, it's got batteries.
laptop, isn't it?
Oh, never mind. Ooh. Say thanks, Auntie Megan.
Oh.
Tell them
Switch modes.
they make you cry.
I like that one a lot.
Yeah, he is. There's so many buttons. Uh-oh, he's gonna go for that one. Oh, yep, here we go, Dad. Oh, there's another one.
Yeah, that was a nice one. You should say that one for last. You should have said the high-tech one for last.
You play,
Nana
oh,
and
Nana and
Papa.
Papa.
Oh, there's a bunch of stuff in this one.
Oh, yeah, lots of stuff.
God damn it.
Melissa.
Here, bud.
The memory card's full.
Oh, look at this.
Wow. Look at all that stuff.
Ooh! It's like those cars those kids were playing with at the at the baby shower, bud. Oh yeah, we like
Yeah,
those cars.
Yeah, look at those wheels on those cars.
What else we got in
All
there?
sorts of fire trucks. You got movies here. Look at. Got a movie. The mom
Monsters
already opened up and watched.
Inc.
What is it?
You got Dumbo. Yeah, you got Dumbo. Got Dumbo.
Dumbo. Is there anything else in there?
Yeah, there's a lot of stuff in there.
Show them all the stuff.
Clothes.
Let's show them the clothes.
Oh, come on. I'm not a model. Jeez, Jacob.
Look how cute.
You got some. Jeez, where are we going? Skiing? Look at this thing.
Well, we're getting ready for winter.
Dang, buddy, you'll be warm. Look at that. Get some pajamas.
You gotta show what everybody wants to see.
You've already seen them all.
We have, but they haven't.
So,
You gotta show them all.
Okay, they're typical
Oh, look,
baby
cute
clothes.
little
Oh,
doggies.
Jacob's so excited.
True.
Look at this guy, I got the ball. Oh, he just fell. Look at this thing, look at it.
Ooh.
It's getting worse every present. This one's gonna be a rough one.
He's like, Dad, you keep taking all these presents, showing me them,
Jacob,
and giving them away.
No,
Here's another. Here's another one.
Oh, it's just...
Come on, you show them